It's pretty common to have food service people be in the background at my programs. And I remember at one particular program at Queensboro Community College, there's this one food service person who came in, set the food down, but instead of leaving, she actually stayed and fully participated. She loved the program, and it warmed my heart that she was so engaged in the program, because I know she sees tons of programs. But then I thought about it. In dance floor theory, we have a phrase that says, change the bus driver's attitude, change the whole bus's attitude. Meaning if you've changed the attitude of an individual who's gonna impact or connect with a ton of other people throughout the day, then you not only impacted that one person, you actually impacted the entire bus of people. So when you're doing programming for your community, think about who are the bus drivers. Engage them and watch their positive attitude trickle out to the rest of the community. This is Tom from Swift Kick reminding you to get on that dance floor.